Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and how to use avatar as our profile picture on WhatsApp. You don't want to use your picture, you don't want to use anybody's picture, you want to use avatar to represent your image. So let's dive inside. Now open your WhatsApp and click on the stream menu button. Click on the stream menu button, click on settings, and you can see avatar here. Click on avatar, and now let's create our avatar. Now get started. Create manually. Now let's choose the skin of the tone or the color of our avatar. Click on next. The hairstyle that you want, I'm gonna choose this. Click on next. The hair color, I'm gonna choose this. Oh no, let me choose something random. Okay, and click on, you can adjust the ear. You can see you can adjust the ear more darker, more cooler. I'm gonna put it here. Click on next. The body, you can see this body. Which body do I want to choose? I'm gonna choose someone fat. Oh, I'm gonna choose this. Click on next. Now the outfit, I'm gonna change this outfit now. Let's see the outfits that look mature and unique. So I'm gonna change to this. Okay, let me use this, and I click on done. And now I've created my avatar. Just click on next. And now, do you want to use this avatar as a profile picture? If it is yes, just this yes. And if it is not, if it is no, you can browse sticker. You want to put on the sticker here, you can browse sticker. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.